Welcome to Holland, America's Nieuw Statendam, the ship at a glance. The ship made its maiden voyage in December of 2018. We sailed aboard her in January 2019. There is so much to offer, with many dining areas, spectacular food, numerous bars and entertainment. Even days at sea, there is always something to do. Sleek new design, she is a beauty to behold. Two pools on board provide a great place to either swim outdoors or in, with a covered deck on the Lido deck. Enjoy live music at Music Walk, featuring the Lincoln Center Stage, Billboard on Board, Rolling Stone Rock Room, and B.B. King's Blues Club. The World Stage is a state-of-the-art theater. The Crow's Nest up front provides a beautiful retreat where you can feel like the captain as you survey the journey ahead. With many ports of call, you will be sure to enjoy your time on and off the Nieuw Statendam.